In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends to choose webinar dates fast and easy. If you've ever struggled with finding the optimal time to host a webinar, Google Trends is your go-to resource. Let's walk through the steps together to make sure your event garners the most interest. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Type Google Trends into the search bar and hit Enter. When the search results load, you'll usually see Google Trends as the top link. Click on it to navigate to the main page. Once you're there, you'll notice a variety of options, showcasing trending searches and data. For our purpose, click on the Explore feature. It's a powerful tool that delves deep into search data and provides insights into what people are interested in at any given time. Next, identify the main topic of your upcoming webinar. Perhaps it's something like digital marketing or tax filing. Type this topic into the search bar and press Enter. You'll begin to see some very insightful data pop up. One of the most useful features here is the interest over time chart. To get the best results, use the time range filter located at the top right of the page. If you're curious about seasonal trends or cycles, choose the past 12 months option. For broader yearly patterns, select past 5 years. This allows you to see when interest peaks throughout the year. Now, it's crucial to tailor this information to your audience. Scroll down the page to find Interest by Sub-Region. This section helps you by allowing you to filter the data to focus on a specific country or region, ensuring that you're selecting your webinar date based on local interest rather than global averages. Once you have an idea of the best months, it's time to zoom in on precise dates. Change the time filter to either past 90 days or past 30 days to pinpoint exact weeks when your topic might be trending. This level of detail is invaluable when setting a date that maximizes participation. Additionally, check out the Related Queries section. Here you may discover event-specific or time-sensitive terms, such as a particular year or season. These insights can give clues about when people are especially keen to engage with content like yours. By the end of this process, you should feel confident in your choice of webinar date, backed by data showing when your topic generates the most buzz. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, with the right tools, you can make smart and timely decisions to ensure the success of your events.